is the importance of SK, and wouldn't it just be better for young people to run for the barangay elections? After all, you have barangay officials who are also quite young, di ba? And they would
Mhm.
also qualify for the SK. Why not just include more young people in as barangay officials, you know? Kasi kung talagang deserving sila na magserbisyo, de tumakbo sila sa bilang barangay official.
Yung isa sa mga, yung flagship program ng Lente, yung tayo na Collaboratory for Young Leaders of Democracy, nakita namin yung struggle na yan, lalo na napopostpone ang barangay, tas mas napopostpone ang SK election dahil nga sa mga criticisms against it. Pero ang lagi namin sinasabi sa TNC ay pagbigyan natin ma-implement yung SK Reform Law at SK Empowerment Law. Kasi tandaan natin, unang election na implement yung SK Reform Law noong 2018. Ano ba yung SK Reform Law? One of the main provisions in the SK Reform Law is the anti-dicey provision. So it's the only government unit in the Philippines na bawal tumakbo yung mga may kamag-anak na nakaupo sa pwesto from the national down to the barangay level. So, gusto natin makita ma-implement yung provision ng batas na yan. Kasi main criticism yan na breeding ground ng mga trapo. But we now have the anti-dicey provision. So, we want that to be implemented and we want it to be studied kung effective ba siya. And nagkaroon na tayo ng SK Empowerment Act kasi nakita na nung pandemic, ang dami mga nag-resign na mga kagawad kasi ang nakakatanggap lang ng honorarium yung SK chair. So there was a recognition na parehas lang naman nagtatrabaho ang chair at ang kagawad. Why not give these officials honorarium also? So nagkaroon na rin ng honorarium ang mga SK kagawad natin. Nagkaroon ng budget ang Local Youth Development Office. Nagkaroon dapat ng tao sa Local Youth Development Office. So, let's give chance to these two laws to be implemented for the next 3 or 6 years. Then let's have the same discussion, siguro Howie, by 2028 to see if these two laws have been implemented effectively and kung tama pa rin ba na yung setup natin sa SK mimics the same barangay setup. Kasi meron talagang discussion na ang dami Pwede namang dalawa lang, tatlo, but I think we need to see these two laws implemented first in operation. Then we ask the same question. 6 years or 9 years from now.